Perfect. Now I'm gonna take you to our new home, love. Hmm? Oh, you started to wake up. Finally. Hello, sweetie. How's your sleep? I have been waiting for so long. I must have hit your head too hard. I'm sorry. There is no use, sweetie. Struggling won't do you anything. I tied you quite hard on that chair. You only waste your energy. That's right. Just stay still. You are a clever person. Now, I know you had a lot of questions, but I cannot understand your question with that gag in your mouth. So, I'm gonna take it off. No screaming or else. Got it? Good. Now, give me a second. There you go. Wow, you actually behave. I was ready to force this fabric into your mouth if you actually start screaming, but looks like it's not necessary. You are really clever. But that's no surprise. Only a smart and clever person like you that could make such an amazing masterpiece. Okay, so what's your question, my love? No, my love. One question at a time, my love, or I will put the gag back on again. Where are you? Well, you are in my bedroom. Originally, I want to put you in my basement, but then I realized that I don't have one, so I just put you here. It's still no use to scream though. I already made this room soundproof, so the neighbor wouldn't hear a thing. Who am I? Oh, come on! Don't you recognize my voice? You don't? Come on! I know you hear my voice on the internet most of the time. Try to remember it. Listen carefully to my voice. Sound familiar? Still not sure? Oh, well, it's fine. I'm gonna give you a hint. Have you ever heard of Magic Mermaid ASMR before? What am I saying? Of course you have. I always filled your script after all. You are catching on quick. That's right. I am Magic Mermaid ASMR. It's a pleasure to finally meet you in person. You seem shocked. What? Aren't you happy that you were able to meet your favorite ASMRist in person? I mean, I'm your favorite, right? Right? Answer me. Yay, I know it. I'm your favorite. Why am I doing this? Well, isn't it obvious? It's because I love you, sweetie. I love you so much. Words can't even express how much I love you. I will do anything, and I mean anything, to make you mine. Why do I love you? Oh, my love, I can go for days just talking about the reason why I love you. Your face, your personality, your hobby. There's a lot of things. But most importantly, the thing that made me go crazy for you is your script. Yeah, I'm serious. Your script is the one thing that made me fall for you. From your script, I knew that I had to make you mine. Why? Because of your script, my channel changed drastically. You see, my channel is never getting much attention. I tried many things to boost up my channel. I used my own drawing as the thumbnail. I tried to do some popular topics using popular script, etc. But nothing works. My channel is still wasn't getting much attention. And YouTube keeps demonetizing me for no freaking reason. Doesn't make the situation any better. But one day, while I was searching for some script to use in my video, I stumbled upon one of your scripts. Your scripts look interesting, so I use them. I do the recording, then upload it to YouTube. At first, I didn't have too much hope for the video, but when I checked the video a few days later, I was so surprised. The video was getting lots of views. It has lot of likes and gave me a tons of new subscribers. I can't believe it. I was so happy. People finally find out my channel. After that, I made another video. I used a public script that I found on Reddit, not yours though. Then I published it. I was excited to see the result, but when I checked it, the result was disappointing. It doesn't get many views. The views are much lower than I usually get as well. I didn't understand. The last video gets tons of views, but this one is not doing that well. I tried to find out what makes the last video so popular than my other videos. Then I came up with a theory that your script was the reason that my channel grew. So I tested my theory and used another one of your scripts. And to my surprise, it actually worked. The views are growing. There are a lot of likes as well. After that, I kept using your script on my videos. Thanks to your script, my channel is growing rapidly. And because of that, I'm starting to fall for you. I wondered how you could make such an amazing script. So, I started looking up more information about you. I followed your Twitter, Instagram, Reddit. I also subscribed to your channel even though there was nothing on it, but I still subscribe as my sign of love. I always checked your social media, so I never miss your latest script. Whenever you upload a new script, I'm always the first one to feel it. You noticed it, right? Every time you upload a new script, 5 minutes later, I DM you, saying that I'm gonna fill your script. You always say thank you for filling my script. I become so happy when you say that. It filled me with joy. Then over time, I'm falling more and more for you. So, I took the next step to prove my love. I started to track your location to find where you live. It's kinda tough at first, but with enough YouTube tutorials, I was finally able to track your location. To my surprise, you actually live not far from where I live. At that moment, I realized that you and I were meant to be together. It was fate. I know it. Then I went to your house and I saw you were going somewhere. So I followed you. You were going to a cafe. You ordered a cappuccino and sat at the table at the corner next to a window. You look so adorable. The feeling of finally being able to see my love, it feels so good. I tried to approach you, but suddenly I saw a person approaching you and you talked to them. I don't know why, but it tears my heart apart. It hurts so much. I want to approach you, but my body won't respond to me. I was just standing there, watching you from afar. After quite some time, I was going back to my home. My heart still hurts from seeing you with someone else other than me. I checked my laptop when I got home. Then I see another VA that uses your script. When I saw that, somehow it drives me insane. Who the heck they think they are? Using script written by my beloved? No one. And I mean no one can use your script other than me. They don't deserve to fill the script written by your hand. I am the only one who is allowed to voice such a masterpiece created by your hand. So I decided that I need to get you and bring you here so I can have you all for myself. That way you will stay by my side and write script only for me. You don't want to? Oh, darling. Who said that you have a choice? You will stay here and make scripts for my channel whether you like it or not. You will also learn to love me sooner or later, willingly or forcefully. I'm fine with either as long as you stay with me forever and ever and ever. Oh, by the way, while I brought you here, I even brought your PC. And look, I already set it up for you, so you can start writing your scripts right away. I also brought all of your consoles as well, so you could play games when you are bored. You could play with your friends as well, just online though, not in real life. They would take you away from me if they come here, and we wouldn't want that. I am so generous, aren't I? Others would just keep you locked up without having you any chance to communicate with anyone. But for me, I let you play with your online friends as long as you do not tell them what happened to you. 'Cause if you do, something bad will happen. Understand? Good. Now I'm gonna untie you so you can start to get used to your new home. Don't do anything stupid. Let me just do this and... Hey! I told you, don't do anything stupid. Yet you did. What, you think you could take on me that easily? Don't make me laugh. I guess I must punish you for your disobedience. What should I do with you? Maybe... Should I carve some mark on your skin? Nah, I don't want to break that skin of yours. You know what? I'm feeling generous today. So I will let you off the hook this time. But there wouldn't be a second chance. You understand? I said, do you understand? Good. I'm gonna get off of you now. You better behave this time. Good. You actually behaved this time. Smart move. Now, I'm gonna leave you alone here, so you can get used to this room. I will be back soon. I need to record another video for my channel. Don't try anything funny and don't try to contact the police from your PC as well. I would know. Alright, I will see you later, my love. I love you. Hey, thank you for listening. I found that 62% of viewers are not subscribed to the channel. If you really like the content, please subscribe to the channel. It will encourage me to create more videos. And also check out other videos on your screen. There are many Andre videos on my channel. Check them out. As always, be kind, be strong, love yourself. Bye.